collagen, a vital protein that keeps our skin supple, joints healthy, and much more. In this video, we'll explore 7 fantastic foods rich in collagen to help keep you looking and feeling your best. Stay tuned for some quick quizzes to test your knowledge here with us on Health Aware. Before we dive in, let's start with a quick quiz. What is collagen primarily known for in our bodies? A. Giving energy. B. Improving skin elasticity and joint health. Or C. Boosting brain function. If you picked B, improving skin elasticity and joint health, that's right. Collagen is a crucial protein in our bodies, acting like a glue that holds everything together. It's essential for keeping our skin elastic, ensuring our joints move smoothly, and much more. Found in our bones, skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments, collagen plays a significant role in our overall health and appearance. But here's the catch. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen. This gradual decrease can lead to common signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint pains. By understanding how to maintain and boost collagen levels, we can tackle these issues head-on, keeping our bodies strong and resilient as we grow older. Food. Number 1. Bone broth. With that established, it's time for the best foods for collagen production. Let's now kick things off with another quiz. What process is used to make bone broth rich in collagen? A. Freezing. B. Simmering. Or C. Baking. If you chose B, simmering, that's right. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. This slow cooking process extracts collagen, minerals, and amino acids from the bones, creating a rich, health-boosting broth. Bone broth is celebrated not only for its high collagen content, which is vital for skin elasticity and joint health, but also for its ability to support gut health and the immune system. It's a versatile kitchen staple that can be sipped on its own or used as a base for soups, stews, and sauces. Food number 2. Spirulina. Time for our next quiz. What type of organism is spirulina? A. A type of fish. B. A blue-green algae. Or C. A leafy green vegetable. If you guessed B, a blue-green algae, you're absolutely correct. Spirulina is a superfood in the truest sense. This blue-green algae is not just a health enthusiast's favorite. It's packed with a wide range of nutrients, including a surprisingly high collagen content for its plant-based nature. While not producing collagen itself, spirulina is rich in amino acids necessary for the body's collagen production, contributing to healthy skin, hair, and nails. Beyond its collagen boost, spirulina is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and helping to combat oxidative stress. Adding spirulina to your diet, especially in smoothies or as a supplement, is an excellent way to enjoy these benefits. It's a small addition with a big impact on your wellness journey. Food number 3. Sardines. Quiz time. What nutrient in sardines is especially good for reducing inflammation? A. Omega-3 fatty acids. B. Vitamin C. Or C. Calcium. If you picked A, omega-3 fatty acids, that's right. Sardines are small but mighty when it comes to their nutritional benefits. Not only are they loaded with collagen, which is crucial for maintaining the elasticity of our skin and the health of our joints, but they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, supporting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, Sardines are a fantastic source of vitamin A and vitamin B12, nutrients that play vital roles in maintaining eye health and energy levels. Food number 4. Eggs. Ready for another quiz? Which part of the egg is richest in collagen? A. Yolk. B. White. Or C. Shell. If you said B. White, that's spot on. Eggs are a phenomenal source of nutrition and offer a unique benefit when it comes to collagen, especially through the egg whites. The egg whites contain large amounts of proline, an amino acid that is essential for collagen production in our bodies. This makes eggs, particularly the whites, a key food for anyone looking to boost their skin's elasticity, heal wounds faster, and keep their joints in good shape. Besides collagen production, eggs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, making them an excellent food choice for overall health and well-being. Food number 5. Organ meats. Let's jump into our next quiz. Which nutrient found in organ meats is crucial for collagen production? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. Or C. Vitamin D. If you chose B. Vitamin A, you're exactly right. Organ meats, such as liver, heart, and kidneys, from animals are incredibly nutrient-dense foods that offer a plethora of health benefits, including a significant boost to collagen production. They're not only rich in vitamin A, which is vital for skin health and cell regeneration, but also packed with high levels of protein, including the amino acids necessary for collagen synthesis. This makes organ meats a powerhouse for anyone looking to improve their skin's elasticity, enhance joint function, and promote overall body healing. Food number 6. Chicken skin. The skin of chicken is not just delicious. It's also where a high concentration of collagen is found. When chicken skin is cooked, the collagen transforms into gelatin, a form that our body can easily absorb. This makes skin on chicken an excellent food for boosting collagen levels, which in turn supports skin health, joint flexibility, and overall tissue repair. Food number 7. Shellfish. And now for our final quiz. Which mineral in shellfish supports antioxidant production? A. Iron. B. Selenium. Or C. Zinc. If you selected B. Selenium, that's right. Shellfish, including shrimp, lobster, and crabs, are not only delicious, but also rich in nutrients that can boost your health, including collagen. Shellfish provide a type of collagen that's easily absorbed by the body, supporting the health of your skin, joints, and bones. Moreover, shellfish are an excellent source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps your body combat oxidative stress and promotes the production of antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. This in turn can lead to healthier skin, a reduced risk of chronic diseases, and improved immune function.